This is part 2 of the destination to Mars. We're now going to Mars, from planet Earth to Mars.
It's so slippery. Slippery when wet.
We are walking on slippery road. Slippery when wet.
Well, on the second floor?
Can you hear the sound of the river? Don't worry, Bear Grylls.
That's my house. Stop there.
Ben, they're going to first floor. Ito.
There's a bathroom there. That's my house. Here's my helpers. My bodyguard, cameraman, and
The cameraman. This is the president. The bodyguard.
welcome to Mars.
The helpers. Welcome to Mars.
Ah, bodyguard. You're suspicious.
Where's Jack man? Si Jack there.
Isa, sabay. Ah, si Jik. Kailan si Jik? Wala kaila!
Punta naman sa mga ko. Mga red.
Baka ako bala sa itaas ang itapakan.
I-post ito na sa YouTube.
Kana muling.
Kinanaw ko yung camera balik. Yes, naayon ang cellphone.
Hey, I was called by my brother.
Ikaw, siguro baklay.
Oh.
Kamera gyapon nimo?
Tama ni ba? Tapos kaya lang yung makita.
Nalibang kon. Ang nasa kon tagak.
Ano ba yun ang power, di ba?
Yusuf.
Yusuf ba itong
Impact dial.
impact dial.